it's Brandon with Voodoo Forge, and I am making another fairly simple hardy today. I've seen these floating around. I've seen them called various things. I've seen them called leaf veining hardies and creasing tools. I've never used one, but I got material laying around and I got some time, so I'm gonna make some of these in several different sizes, show you what I came up with, and yeah, let's make some of these. These are not going to be super complicated. I got my material, got some 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8. What is that? Let's find out. That is 1.1/8, and then 1 3/4. So I'm going to make a few of these. Well, I'm going to make 6 of these. And it should be pretty straightforward. First I gotta get my material cleaned up, and then we'll go from there. This should be pretty straightforward. I'm going to take them, I'm going to tack them together, and then once I've got them all tacked, I'm going to come back and run a heavy bead between them. Now we're going to run a heavy bead down the center of all of them. Alright, let everything cool off here. It's actually still a little warm. Let everything cool off here. I'm going to grind these down a little bit where I can get a good seating of our hardy shaft. I was going to do this on the belt grinder, but I think this may actually be quicker. Here's the plan. I'm going to tack these stobs on here, and then I'm going to test them out in the animal, make sure they're straight before I weld them all the way up. Okay, that looks good. Well, that one's good. Well, it appears with a little bit of grinding, they all fit. Now, I kind of got to figure out what to do with them. Okay, so I'm kind of joking, but I'm not. Like, you see these on line, and they'll be called a leaf veining hardy, or a creasing hardy. Sometimes creasing hardy makes more sense to me because that gives you more versatility, because I don't use these to make leaves. So I'm going to experiment and see how I would. I'm not going to show you this experimentation. I'm just going to show you the end product. So it will only be a blink of the eye for you, but I'm sure it'll be much profanity later for me. See you in a second. Okay, I can see some use to this. Okay, I can certainly see some value in these. And the different sizes I can see being useful for different things. I'm gonna have to fiddle with them for a while and come up with exactly what my uses for them are going to be. But what would you use a tool like this for? What are your thoughts on it? Is this something you could use? Is this not something you could use? Either way, like I said, I've seen these bouncing around. I wanted to try to make some, and now that I have them, I can spend some creative time and figure out ways to use them for me. But anyway, the main thing is I hope y'all got something out of this, and y'all behave yourselves.